Facial puffiness or swelling with hypothyroidism. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Sheba and I'm your hypothyroid personal trainer. Today I want to talk to you about a few ways in which you can actually reduce facial swelling or puffiness if it is a symptom that you are experiencing in hypothyroidism. Surprisingly, facial puffiness or swelling is actually a symptom of hypothyroidism. It is not one that I had personal experience with, but it could be one that you are experiencing, which is why you are watching this video. It's really important that you take your thyroid health seriously. Go talk to your doctor, and if you need to take medication, then you do that. Additionally, also remember that when your thyroid is not functioning properly, it also elevates your cortisol levels, which is your stress hormone. This is why you need to take your stress seriously and find effective ways to manage and deal with your stress. Lowering your stress can actually help balance out your hormones, and that can also help you with the puffiness or swelling. Number 2 is your diet. If you are consuming a highly processed diet, you're consuming a lot of salt or sodium as well as a lot of sugar, this is something you need to fix right away. Not only is all of this processed food, the salt and sugar, making your body retain a lot of water, it's also really slowing down your thyroid function even more. If you want to heal your thyroid, you want to feel better, you have to give your thyroid-friendly foods. Now, I talk about this in all my videos. There is a thyroid food list on my website that you can go download. It's a little ebook. It helps you understand the foods you need to eat as well as the foods you should avoid if you want your thyroid to heal. These foods that are rich in salt, sugar, sodium, or any highly processed food is not only going to retain water around your face, your neck, but also your abdomen. Clean up your diet, eat healthier, eat better, and that will also make a difference. Number 3 is actually lymphatic draining massages. Now, this is not something that I specialize in or have a lot of information about. I actually learned about it through the internet on YouTube and TikTok. I found that lymphatic draining also really helped me with my sinus congestions. I always have sinus issues. It's helped me a lot with my migraines. You can use gua sha, you can use rollers, you can use your hands. There's a lot of methods out there, but lymphatic drainage is actually really good for your thyroid function in general. So find a YouTube video, try a TikTok video, whatever, and see if that helps you out, because there is water retention in the tissues in your face and your neck. The lymphatic drainage can actually really help with that. Lastly, if you haven't considered evaluating this, also look at your histamines. This means if you have a highly sensitive system, you have more allergies not only to dust or smell, but you might also be consuming foods that are raising your histamine levels. This is something you should evaluate. You can get food sensitivity tests done. If you notice you're sneezing more throughout specific periods of the year, that can also cause swelling. Like I said, for me, I notice swelling or puffiness around this part of my face, which is essentially where all your sinus congestion happens. And so when I do the lymphatic drainage, I do the massages or ice rolling, it does help me a lot. You can also consider taking supplements that can help with your histamine levels, such as quercetin or vitamin C. Before leaving, don't forget to let me know in the comments which of the facial puffing or depuffing methods you are going to try out and adapt in your routine, and I will pick one of you to get a free copy of all of my ebooks. I hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to check out my hypothyroidism playlist for more videos and content. Until next time, I will see you soon. Think strong always.